In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create split view inside Toggle Block in Notion. By the end, you'll know how to place content side by side inside a toggle, so you can keep things tidy when collapsed and easy to scan when expanded. First, add a toggle to your page. Click into your Notion page, type /, then type toggle. And choose Toggle List from the menu. You'll see a new toggle block appear. Click on it once to expand it so you can work inside. Now, add the content you want to split. Click inside the open toggle and start creating your blocks. This could be text, images, a to-do list, or any other block you normally use. It helps to add at least 2 separate blocks because you'll be turning them into columns. Keep each piece of content as its own block so you can drag them independently. To create the split view, look at the 6-dot drag handle to the left of the block you want on the right side. Click and hold that handle on your second block. While holding, drag the block to the far right of your first block. Move slowly toward the right edge of that first block, and watch for a vertical blue line to appear along its right side. That vertical line is your cue that Notion is about to create a new column. When you see it, release the mouse. Your content is now in a 2-column split inside the toggle. If you don't see the vertical line at first, keep your cursor close to the right edge of the first block. If a horizontal blue line appears instead, that means you are just repositioning the block above or below. Continue dragging to the side until the vertical line shows up to fine. Tune the layout, adjust the column widths. Hover your cursor between the 2 columns until you see the vertical divider. Click and drag it left or right to give one column more space. This is useful if, for example, an image needs a little extra room or if you want your text column to be narrower for readability. That's it. You've created a clean split view inside a toggle block. The best part is, when you collapse the toggle, both columns tuck away, keeping your page compact. Expand it again anytime to see your side-by-side content exactly as you arranged it. Thanks for watching.